Agentic developer workflows are increasingly adopting skills to enable agents to follow stricter rules, set workflow guardrails to avoid hallucinations, and produce more dependable code. Getting started with Wix AI skills is quick and easy in most AI coding environments. In Claude, skills are exposed as plugins that we can install with a single command. And installation instructions for other environments can be found in the Wix Skills GitHub repository, along with additional information. We've added the link below in the description. Now, when developing a new dashboard page for our app, we'll see the skill when it's invoked and can follow its progress. Here, we're setting up a new dashboard page for an e-com app to manage pricing for items in a store catalog. The skill automatically identifies the need to use the Wix design system, and the output is an organized table of our products with the required logic. Skills are now part of the Wix CLI and are automatically included in every new project you start. We're actively developing skills to help you reliably build apps and headless websites in the environment of your choice. Be sure to follow the GitHub repo as it develops, as well as our changelog in our documentation. Thanks for watching.